Okay, let's see if we can move her forward. Okay, let's see if she'll move forward now. There we go. Now we got a good lock. But as I was explaining in my my last segment with this with my 2230 here, I had to fix the front truck because the front trucks, because they were when I took it out of the jewel case, it looked like everything was fine. I mean, it looked like there was no problem with it or whatever. And that I didn't see, no issue with the engine. And so I put the engine on the I put the engine on the track before one of my turnouts. Still seemed everything fine. I mean, didn't seem like there was anything wrong with it. And so I thought, okay, let's run her and see how she does. I mean, that's the best thing to do is, put the power down and let her move. Well, she started to move, and she got up to my turnout, and she wouldn't go any further. And I thought, and I kind of, give myself that look, and kind of, when your dad looked at you and that one old eye was going up, and he kind of gave you that look, and I'm like, why is she not moving? So I took it off the track and tried to diagnose what was going on, and tried to figure it out, and I still really couldn't figure out what was going on. Put the engine back down on the track, and it did it again. Stopped. And I looked to see how the gears were oiled and stuff like that, and I just wasn't paying attention to that there on the front. And then I turned the engine, I looked at it, and I thought, there's something wrong with one of the trucks or something, or the pin, the front middle little pin is catching. And so on a closer examination, that's when I seen that the bottom half of the trucks on this engine were they weren't set in place. And I said, you got to fix that. So what I ended up doing, I ended up taking the plastic piece off, that bottom piece that's and I showed it in one of my earlier videos. I took it off, made sure that the wheels were set, they were where they were supposed to be, made sure that the gears were all, they weren't grinding or anything like that. I made sure they were where they were supposed to be. The side plates that get the power from the wheels, I made sure the side plates were where they were supposed to be, and then I took that plastic piece that fits over them to keep them in place. I set it back down, and it's been running okay ever since. And so we thought we would, since we done some videos tonight, of 735 running, and running with the SB5 Smart Booster, we thought we would get UP 22 UP 22 2230 there, and put it on the track and let you listen to her run. And that engine has got a kind of a neat sound. You can really hear her pulling. Sounds pretty cool. Neat thing about that SD60, it's got the flat grills on it, on the side of it, the radiator grills. And so, and the engine that's in it may make it sound as it does. I think it sounds pretty cool. And why 2230 is running around, we're going to run 735 on the inner. So this is definitely a first. We're running DC for the first time on the inner route and outer route of the Lahana Hutch and Pratt Mini Sub. We'll just power old 2230 up. Let her glide down the tracks there. The two routes, the inner route and the outer route, are separate, so they're not impeding on each other. They're completely separate. It's been the way I've had this for a long time, and that's the way I'm pretty well going to keep it. But we can still have a whole lot of fun. And we're gonna make one more. We're gonna make one more video and finish this up. Because my videos don't last too long. They last about 10 minutes, and then they decide to. Because I'm running in such a good quality here, they decide to run about 10 minutes, and then that's it. So I'm going to run one more. Stay tuned.